Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to turn your meeting notes into full action plans within 30 seconds. So I've got some meeting notes over here that are messy, a bit vague, and a little ambiguous, and I feel like I could use Claude to help organize this and make a structured action plan surrounding this. So all you have to do is go to Claude AI, and once you log in, you should see the prompt page. So I'm going to start writing a simple prompt here describing what exactly I want it to do. So here are my notes from a meeting. Please turn them into a structured action plan for each action item. Medium/low. Now I also unclear and flag them separately. Here are the notes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my document here and just copy and paste them. You can use different language models for whatever you'd like. I think for this one, I want to enable extended thinking. So this just gives the AI a little more time to think about its exact response, and it can help for complicated tasks. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter, click the send button, and I'll give Claude a few seconds to work out exactly what it's going to show me. The neat thing about using Claude is that you can in real time see its thought process and how it formats its answers. There we go. So here's our output. It even shows us the option to download it as a document. So we went from this very unorganized and impromptu set of notes to this a very well organized, well documented, and neat set of information. So it's exactly what I wanted it to do. I'm gonna go ahead and click download. It's gonna show me the plan. You can even change the file format if you ask it to. Can you change the file format to a docx? So I'm gonna give it a few more minutes. Oh, actually here's the option, download as PDF. So no longer needed to change the file format since a PDF suits my needs just perfectly. So go ahead and click here, click download as PDF, save as PDF, and click save. So that was how to use Claude to create structured action plans from messy meeting notes. I hope you were able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.